How many opportunities are sitting in your inbox right now? Potential clients, business partnerships, sales leads, networking opportunities, follow-ups you've been meaning to send for weeks. The truth is, most entrepreneurs don't lose money because they lack talent. They lose money because they fail to follow up. A prospect says, "Send me more information." You forget. A potential client requests a proposal. You respond too late. A lead expresses interest, but they never hear from you again. And just like that, opportunities disappear. Now imagine having an AI assistant that helps you write professional emails, respond faster, follow up consistently, and nurture leads automatically. Today, you'll learn how to turn ChatGPT into your personal email assistant. By the end of this video, you'll have an AI-powered email system that saves hours every week and helps you build stronger business relationships. Let's get started. Let's start with a simple reality. Email remains one of the highest return business activities in the world. One well-written email can land a client, close a sale, secure a partnership, get an interview, or generate thousands of dollars in revenue. The problem isn't email. The problem is time. Most entrepreneurs spend too much time writing emails from scratch. This is where ChatGPT becomes powerful. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you provide context and let AI create the first draft. Let's begin with client outreach. Prompt: act as a business development specialist. Write a professional cold email introducing my AI automation service to small business owners. Keep it concise and value-focused. Within seconds, ChatGPT creates a professional outreach email you can customize and send. But here's what most people miss. The first email is rarely what closes the deal. The follow-up does. Studies consistently show that many sales happen after multiple follow-ups, yet most people stop after one message. Prompt: write a polite follow-up email for a prospect who hasn't responded after 7 days. Now you have a professional follow-up ready in seconds. No overthinking. No procrastination. Let's move to customer inquiries. When people ask questions, speed matters. Fast responses build trust. Prompt: draft a response to a customer asking about pricing, services, and implementation timelines. Instead of spending 15 minutes writing a response, you spend 1 minute reviewing and sending. Now let's create email templates. Templates are one of the biggest productivity hacks for entrepreneurs. Ask ChatGPT to generate templates for client onboarding, proposal delivery, meeting confirmations, appointment reminders, thank you emails, project updates. With a template library, you're no longer starting from zero every time. Now let's talk about lead nurturing. Most people aren't ready to buy immediately. That's why email sequences are so valuable. Prompt: create a 5-email lead nurture sequence for entrepreneurs interested in AI automation. Include education, credibility building, and a soft sales offer. This allows you to stay top of mind while providing value. Over time, trust grows, and trust drives sales. Let's go even further. Use ChatGPT to write newsletters. Prompt: create a weekly newsletter covering AI trends, business insights, and practical tips for entrepreneurs. Now you have valuable content to keep your audience engaged consistently. Another powerful use case is proposal writing. Many freelancers and consultants spend hours creating proposals. Prompt: create a professional proposal for an AI consulting project. Include scope, timeline, deliverables, pricing structure, and next steps. What once took hours can now be completed in minutes. Let's build the complete email automation system. Step 1, generate outreach emails. Step 2, create follow-up sequences. Step 3, build template libraries. Step 4, automate lead nurturing. Step 5, send newsletters. Step 6, create proposals and client communications. The goal isn't to replace human communication. The goal is to eliminate repetitive work so you can focus on meaningful conversations. Remember, AI writes drafts. You provide judgment. The best results happen when humans and AI work together. Today's challenge: use ChatGPT to create one outreach email, 1 follow-up email, 1 customer response template, 1 5-email nurture sequence, 1 newsletter draft, 1 proposal template. By the end of today, you'll have an email system most businesses take months to build. Your inbox should be a growth tool, not a source of stress. When used correctly, ChatGPT helps you communicate faster, follow up consistently, and build stronger business relationships. That's how opportunities turn into revenue. In the next episode, we'll build a 24/7 AI customer support assistant. You'll learn how to use ChatGPT to answer customer questions, handle common requests, improve customer satisfaction, and create support systems that work even when you're offline. Because great businesses don't just attract customers, they take care of them. Next episode, ChatGPT. Customer support assistant help customers 24/7. Comment below. What's the email you spend the most time writing every week? If this video helped you, subscribe to Skill Yield Lab, like the video, and turn on notifications. We're building AI systems that save time, improve productivity, and help entrepreneurs grow smarter. I'll see you in the next episode. Most entrepreneurs think they need more leads, but sometimes they simply need better follow-up. The question is, how many opportunities are sitting in your inbox right now, waiting for a response?